Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, Dr. WB Namaste, Bigwan Smart, OXPD Dr. No, sorry, Dr. Bigwan Smart, now came with Roxa. Hi. A Kepat, third prize winner, took 5 kilometer. E. Bapatigan Sindram, number 057, Bigwan Smart. Bapatigan Sindram. Ini Bapatigan Sindram. Okay, in one smart, taking a corner, you be second winner. Jong 5 kilometer female. Metang akhat, ye Lucky Shisha Nombri. Lucky Shisha Nombri, one smart. Number 171. Winner of the second, a winner of the 5 kilometer came in second. Smart, yeah, winner of the 5 kilometer female category. Mentah, Hot Smart, yeah, Yopidia Creative. Yopidia Creative, winner of the female category 5 kilometer. Category Jongka 5 kilometer. In third place. Third place 006 Kersai Jingut Patau. Third place 5 kilometers. In place number 151 George Walang. George Walang, second place, 5 kilometers. Winner of the 5K male category, number 195, Chamberlain Harkaman. Louder guys, louder. Here. Now, a winner of the third place, female 5 kilometer, Ini Bapatigan Sindram. And now, winner of the female category 5 kilometer, Yopidia Creative. Louder guys, louder. Three of the 10K general run. At third place, we have Pranay Kindiat. Sorry. At third place, Pranay Kindiat. Please come forward. Pranay Kindiat. Winner, number 10 kilometer female. Filinsa Hansipi. Winner of second prize 10K. Okay, now winner of the first prize. I need more energy from all of you guys. More clap, more scream. Winner of the first female winner. First prize goes to Marquillas Ramsey. Please come forward. Marquillas Ramsey, winner of 10 kilometer female category. Cheers everyone. She's the third place winner of the female category 10 kilometer. Everyone. Tisa Binson Marwin. Please come forward. One spot. Tisa Binson Marwin. Number 0080. Nongjop. Clap guys, clap. At second place for the 10 kilometer male category, Daniel Walang. Please come forward. And at first place, winner of the 10K male category, Rangi Jonathan Patau. Yes. For the male category and female category, who will be representing the state now for the red ribbon marathon. Yeah. All three. But only top two will be going forward, no? Okay. 10 kilometers. At third place, we have Lokam Choti. He is from MLCU College. At third place, Lokam Choti. And at second place, number 0015, Shubha Kumari from Lady Keane College. Shubha Kumari from Lady Keane College. Louder guys, louder. And now, the first prize winner of the 10K college. We have from Greenhoy College, Antonia Lindo. Please come forward. The top two winners will represent the state at the Red Ribbon Marathon. It will be held in Dimapur on the 30th of October. And now, we move forward to the male category of the Red Ribbon Youth Festival Marathon 10K male. At third place, we have Don Bosco Tura, Sengwat S. Samba, Don Bosco College Tura. At second place, we have again from Don Bosco Tura, Magdalene B. Marat. Louder guys, louder. They will be representing the state in Dimapur on the 30th of October. And now, the winner of the male category 10K Red Ribbon Marathon. We have from Balawan College, Riboy, Enistar Soshan. Enistar Soshan. The top two winners from both the male and female category will now be representing the state at a Red Ribbon Marathon held at Dimapur on the 30th of October.